Hello everyone, I'm Kaye here on my homestead in Tennessee. Well, we're at the end of the season, and what comes in late? Peppers. Tomatoes are long gone, and we've still got peppers coming in. So tonight we're going to get a gully washer. We're going to get so much rain tonight. We've got a flood watch. It's part of this whole tropical storm system, I'm sure. But I thought I'm going to take down this basket. Isn't this gorgeous? This is handmade from willow that Sharon grew herself. And I'm going to see if I can fill this up with peppers. Now, it is almost October, and if I ferment peppers, they could be good in the refrigerator until March. I've also dehydrated some of my orange Thai, and I want to do some more of that. It just depends on how many I get. So let's go down to the big garden and see. By the way, if you're new here, I live on a little over 9 acres after being an urban gardener in Los Angeles for 8 years. Now I have this huge canvas and lots to explore, so if that interests you, I hope you subscribe. Click the bell for notifications, scroll down and click all so you won't miss an episode. Right now it's all about wrapping things up for winter, and I've got to wrap up a lot of container plants. I've got the big garden to wrap up. I'm going to need help for that. So stay with me. Oh, no, you're not. Wait. Okay, let go. Let go. Let go. It's too heavy. I need another one. Okay, there's one full basket. Wow, that was just a great little foray into the garden. We are going to get a huge rain tonight, and if I didn't get those peas out of there, wow, they would look so bad. You know, the more wet they get, the more spotted and molded, and no, you want to get them out before a big onslaught of rain, because once they're already a little bit dried in the hull, then they're not going to grow anymore. You're not going to benefit from the rain. So get those peas out of there. I still have a few peas down there. I'm ready for the whole pea thing to be over. It's time now where every step you take, you've got to watch it, because those vines, I'm telling you, they go, ooh, there's a foot, let's trip her. Yeah. So I harvested 2 small loofah. And I'm going to do a little stir fry, so be sure and look at my community page. Always check back on my community page. If you're not seeing it in your feed, you may have to just go and look for it. But I post almost every day on my community page, kind of to keep up with you, let you know what I'm up to, what's happening. And so I have a video of fermenting vegetables, and I'll put the link right up there. There's another neighbor. And put the link right up there so you can get all the details. But I am going to ferment. I thought if I ferment the orange Thai, see, Stacy has told me that, you know, once you do hot peppers and ferment, it kind of backs that heat off. And I'm going, perfect, because that would be like, the orange Thai would be like eating a fresh pepper over the winter. And I love them. So I'm going to do a quart of the orange Thai. I think I've got a quart. I'm going to do a quart of ferment orange Thai, and then I'm going to ferment some of these Cubanelles are the absolute, I mean, the woman, Jamie, my friend that gave them to me, didn't have as good a year as I did, but we've been plagued with drought. So we had too much rain, we had no rain, we had too much rain, we had no rain. So it's been a hard summer, but this has been indestructible. And I am so amazed at these peppers. They're sweet, and they just get to this pretty light green color. That's it. And so I'm going to ferment probably a half gallon of those, and then I'm going to freeze some peppers too. So you know what that looks like. So thanks so much for joining me. I am so pleased with what I got, and you saw I got 2 of my butternuts. This has been a year on squash. Winter squash has just got some nice summer squash, but winter squash, wow, what a disappointment. But loofah, got a lot of loofah, can't eat them. Well, I'm going to try to eat a couple. Don't love them, but, you know, check my community page and see what I make. I'll do a veggie scramble or something. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you're being safe in all of this weather. We've got this major hurricane causing all kinds of trouble, tropical storms. I don't know what's going on out west. So everybody just stay safe, okay? And stay prepared. Oh, check out my next video, because it's going to be about the EcoFlow Delta 2 power station to extend your power, your quiet power in the house for all of your fine electronics. So stay tuned for that. God bless you, and see you next time.